Hey guys, I have a quick wig review for you. I'll be reviewing this wig from Wiggins Hair. This is the wig that they sent over to me, and not going to lie, I was fairly underwhelmed. If you look closely, this wig has a very bumpy construction. It's almost as if they just got a wig cap and sewed on a bunch of wefts at random and didn't care about the outcome. I have this wig as flush to the mannequin head as possible, and if you look closely, the area that bubbles up, you can see the tracks. Not inherently noticeable unless you're staring, but I notice. The wig itself has 13-inch ear-to-ear lace with a 6-inch middle part. Though the ear-to-ear lace doesn't matter because once you cut the lace off, you'll only have about a 1/4 inch of lace to work with. I find it a little comical how one side has this bubbling action going on and the other side is completely smooth. I went ahead and popped the wig on. As you can see, there is no plucking done on the hairline. There isn't a lot to work with, but let's just see what I can do here. Also, as you can see, even with the wig on my head, it does not lay flat. I put the lace against my hand so you can see the color. It's a little bit darker, but I'll work with it. I'm going to do my best to... I can't even pluck the hairline because if I do, you're gonna see the tracks. So the hair itself it's really soft, but it looks very frizzy. I did my best to flatten this side of the hair with a hot comb, but it was really fighting me. And I'm pretty sure it's due to how the wig itself was constructed. Don't even get me started on this mess because it literally looks like they put a bunch of different length wefts together at random, because why does the end of this hair look like a mountain range? It's more uneven than the Earth's tectonic plates. Like, come on now. Though I'm not surprised, I don't know why I was expecting more. This is a stolen picture that they have on their Amazon account. I'm just going to make the assumption that it's stolen because this wig definitely does not look like that. In this photo, the wig the model is wearing has a customized hairline. The blonde streaks are different. They're actually platinum. Also, the hair is longer and has long layers. Now, if you scroll to the second photo, this is literally exactly what I got, and I don't know why I expected more than this, considering this is the photo they have on the website. The ends in these pictures are a little bit more even, but still just as scraggly. Now, hold up, wait a minute. So these photos are definitely stolen, and how do I know this? Because the face in the background, that is makeup artist Olivia Song. Hold up. Yep, just as I suspected. I don't understand why these vendors think they're so slick. And I know good and well that this model is not wearing the same wig that they sent me. The fact that this wig is $210 and you don't even have the freedom to part the hair any way you'd like is absolutely insane to me. Based on all of this alone, I know all of these quote-unquote good comments are straight cap. The 1-star comment is probably the most honest and truthful comment on there. And definitely not true to length because the hair itself is choppy AF. Anywho, I did do my best to work with this wig. I did have to cut it and layer it just so it could seem somewhat similar to the photos. I find it funny how one side of the wig has a lot more highlights than the other side of the wig. I could do virtually nothing with this hairline, so I managed to just get by with covering it with the hair itself. Here you can see the other side. It definitely doesn't have as many blonde highlights as the other side. Also, I'm going to keep pointing this out. The bubbling. It literally is so annoying. It actually drove me insane the entirety of the time that I was wearing this unit, because what is this? Like, I couldn't even call this a cowlick if I wanted to. And I know my head isn't oddly shaped, like I feel like it's a normal shape, so even on my wig head it wasn't sitting right. I guess, whatever. Oh, I did make it work to the best of my ability. I am upset that the streaks don't match what was in the photo, because in the photo the blonde streaks are very much level 10 platinum. This wig is definitely not worth $210, maybe because it's human hair, but I still wouldn't even give it that much credit because I have synthetic wigs that give more than this. Considering the quality of this wig and the price of this unit in general, I feel you're better off just buying bundles and a frontal and making the wig yourself. Thank goodness that this wig was gifted to me, because I swear to God, if I had bought this and this is what I received, I'd be returning it expeditiously, because this just did not give what it was supposed to give. Though also at the same time, you definitely get what you pay for. Also, random thought, when vendors reach out to people to do reviews, I wonder if, depending on the following, they give people with more following better quality wigs and people with less following the crappy wigs. And then they think because we have a smaller following, we're just going to be a bunch of yes men. Because like, OMG, free product. Well, honey, I'm not the 1, the 2, or the 3 if that is the case. Because at the end of the day, I'm always going to tell it like it is, because I don't believe in scamming people for sales. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Until next time, and if you were wondering about what the hell is wrong with my voice, it's because I am sick and I'm recovering. So yeah, bye!